there. I think that's a CXX. Ooh, Mark. Hey, stop. Your E also. Oh, Acela Express. Ooh, 304. Mark, Amtrak, 356. 332. Ooh, whoa. 610. Whoa.
But restrooms will be out while we're there. We're going to lose power. So if you need to use the restroom, I would just say no. At our next stop, yes. So if you want to step off, stretch your legs, you can.
There's American View.
Just say train side the train.
Metroliner.
Side the train. You can stay on or you can step off. All up to you. Yes, they will be while you're in Washington.
Red. Oh, I don't know what. Oof. That is the the railback. Mark. BRE.
And will reopen with an announcement. Again, the cafe lounge is temporarily closed and will reopen with an announcement. Thank you.
Virginia Railway Express. Oof. Wow. Huh. VRE. K Tower. Didn't really see much.